Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm back out here at the park I like to fly at. We're losing the sun. The sun is down over there, but hopefully the camera can still pick this plane up flying. I'm back out here with this plane, and this time I have the best 3S packs in the world. GnB 300 milliamp hour high voltage 3S packs, and they fit inside this little plane right here. So I wanted to test this on 3S with a good pack. My other pack is, I'm convinced that the integrity of that pack has been compromised because of the age of the battery. So I got two freshly charged new ones. Now these are not charged up to high voltage, they're charged up to normal voltage, but I just didn't want to overdo it. So we're going to be flying it with one of these packs charged up to normal voltage. And as you can see, this 3S fits in there nicely. So let's get it in the air, y'all. Oh, and one quick thing to note, this little plane here, it was making a weird noise. It turns out that the motor, the screws that mount the motor on this plane, they were coming loose, and it was making a grinding sound. And so I had to take it apart and, you know, really screw those screws back in tight to mount the motor a little better, because it was like making a really nasty grinding sound. I thought that my motor was going bad or something. I didn't know what the heck was going on, but that turned out to be the issue. And so if you hear a grinding sound and your motor just sounds like it got rocks in it or something, then take that into consideration. Make sure you check that. Now my motor is acting normal now. Again, I'm glad I did figure it out, because if I kept trying to push it and just keep revving up the motor, it could have burned out, because the motor did get very hot. But let's try this guy with 3S, a good 3S pack. Well, I do have the boxer, y'all. So that's barely 50% throttle. It's got a ton of power. It's flying awesome. Flying it pretty high. Just dove with it. Man, it dives really fast when you're going fast. And maybe it's the extra nose weight as well. Let's see how well it glides. Oh, it still glides nicely. I don't know why it's diving so quick. Uh-oh. It's climbing on me. We must have a lot of wind up there. Let's bring it down. So I'm getting nervous. Let's bring it down low. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of windy, y'all. I'm using my rudder to bring it around. Try to slow it down. I'm using the rudder. And I banged out, y'all. This battery is spent. Screaming at me. Man, I did a number on this battery. It's pretty hot, but it should be okay. Filling the motor. The motor isn't too hot or anything like that, so we were getting enough airflow passing through it. I did hit that nose pretty good, but it seemed like it held out. I think I'm going to pull the other battery out and pop that in there too, y'all. I'm going to see how slow I can fly it with 3S. Hope we got all of that on cam. Whatnot. Let's see if we can get this pack right here in. So I'm gonna try to orientate it different. Try to position the battery a little different. It's on its side in there now. So let's see. Trying not to fly it too fast. We're using the rudder to turn around. Gliding in, 0 throttle. I couldn't. I didn't have enough speed to really pull out of that, and I didn't really give it full throttle. Maybe I could have kept it in the air, but it was facing, the nose was facing down, y'all. So let's see if we can get it back in the air. Looks like no damage has been done to it. Oh! Oh man. I was trying to fly manual mode, y'all, and lost my speed. I don't think it had enough power, raw power, to just pull out of that. Yeah, it's really windy out here, y'all. That's what's going on, for real, for real. That was 0 throttle. A lot of turbulence. Zero throttle, y'all. Okay, let's try to bring it in. I'm not going to fly this pack fully. Let's see if I can get it down. Coasting for a nice landing, whatnot. Let's see, we're going to turn this way. Had to circle again. I'm trying to get it low. Okay, here we go. We're going to coast in. Let's lose some altitude. Oh man, the battery is cooked. My daughter's running over there to get it for me. The battery is cooked, y'all. It's in there. The battery's in there. I'm talking about the battery is done. We got some people over there picnicking. Let's get it out. Okay. I know I went too long with it. So So there y'all go. There we go. 2 good 3S flights with the world's best lipo pack, GnB, the world's best lipo pack maker. In my book anyway, GnB has always made the most powerful batteries to me. I heard somebody say that they were cheating with their milliamp hour and everything, their milliamp hour description. But hey man, their batteries are top notch if you ask me. And this thing did pretty good. Volantex's best micro EDF I think it's their only EDF, micro EDF and whatnot. But I think, in my opinion, this is the best off-brand micro EDF. Awesome little micro flyer from Volantex. It's an F16. Thanks for watching.